Okay, here's another video. It's a BMW NBT unit from F30. You probably can hear that clicking noise, and it's rebooting. It's trying to boot up, and it can't. It's doing this noise, and it's rebooting. We can fix this problem and make it perfect. Okay, we opened up the NBT unit. What we see inside is the power board, the tuner, the actual main board, the daughter board, the interconnect board, the hard drive and the DVD, and lots of bolts. That's about it. So we're gonna start fixing it, and I'll show you the result. Okay, as promised, that's the unit. Okay, and it's working properly. Navigation, everything works. So we even added the satellite radio, and it works. All right, and over here we can see that it's working. It's all updated to the latest software, programmed properly, all certificates updated, all good.